Welcome to the next session in convolution. In this session, we will see how to do some problems in convolution integral. Later, we will see problems in convolution sum. In the last session, we discussed what is convolution integral. This is a convolution symbol in continuous domain. I told convolution has three operations: sum, which is nothing but integration, product, and we do have time shifting. Convolution is a mathematical operator which has three operations: sum, product, time shift. Now, when I do some problem, I will give you x of t equal to some signal. Mathematical character impulse response h of t equal to some signal. What I will give you? These two. What I will ask you? What is y of t? But recall, I will give you x of t and h of t. You should use this formula and you should identify what is y of t. Now let us see in detailed discussion. I will give you x of t. You should convert to x of tau because I need first step. I will give you h of t. This is the second step. You should convert to h of t minus tau. Now what I should do? Can I rewrite this as minus tau plus t? Yes. Now what is that I am going to do? In first step, x of t I should convert to x of tau. Second step, h of t I will convert to h of tau. Then I will change this to h of minus tau. Don't think I am going to do a very big work. One simple example let me give you, then I will continue. There is a signal 0 to 1, 3 volt. Who is he? H of t. What is the first step? Convert it to h of tau. Very simple work. You change this t, make it tau. That's all. Let us not confuse more. With respect to t axis, now it is with respect to tau axis. What is the first work you are going to do? H of t to h of tau. H of tau to h of minus tau. This is reflection, you know. That we can do it. What is now reflection of this? That's all. So what is the first work? H of t, convert to h of tau, convert to h of minus tau. What is one more you have to do? See here. H of minus tau plus t. Now I would like to modify this. What modification I am going to do? Carefully listen here. This is h of minus tau. The signal is like this. I would like to make this signal as plus t. What you should do? Plus t. Whatever the axis value, plus t. Plus t is nothing but t. That's all. So, what is the first step? X of t becomes x of tau. Second step, h of t becomes h of tau, becomes h of minus tau, becomes h of minus tau plus t. This signal available, this signal available. What is the third step? Multiply these two. Multiply x of tau and h of minus tau plus t. This is the third step because I have to do multiplication. I am telling overall work what you are going to do in the convolution. What is given? X of t, h of t. Convert to h of tau, convert to h of all this value minus tau plus t. These two are in the format now. Next, what are the operations I am going to do? Multiply these two. How I should multiply? Again, one simple example I will tell and I will do the multiplication operation. This is one of the critical points. Let us have a signal like this. let us say this is the first signal, who x of tau, let us assume. Let me have another signal like this. This is the second signal. This is the first signal, this is the second signal. What I should do? Multiply. Simply you can't say multiply. What is the multiplication result? The result will be everywhere. No, it is from where to where? It is from 5 to infinity. Why? Because this side is 0, this side is 0. 2 to 5, here value is 1. 2 to 5, here value is 0. So if you multiply, answer is 0. Where you will get the result? The result is where you are having the common place. Where is the common place? 5 above. Now I will give one more analysis. Let us have a signal like this. Let us have a signal like this. This is the first signal, x of tau. This is the second signal, h of minus tau plus t. I am asking you multiply. What will be the result? Where is common place? There you will get the result. Come on, where is the result? Minus 1 to 2 is the result. How come? After 2, 0 into anything 0. Before minus 1, 0 into anything 0. What is the common place? I am using the word common place, you multiply. So, I should not multiply everywhere. Where common place, there you should multiply. Then what I should do? Multiplication over. What is the next step? You should add or integrate. Good. I should do integrate to get y of t. So, this is the overall work you are going to do in the convolution. Make sure that you are going to follow these steps. Given signal, convert in this format and do the process. Let us do first problem. X of t is given, h of t is given. Find y of t. First you should do preliminary work. I am using this word preliminary work. This is the preliminary work you should do. Let me do it. What is the first given signal? U of t minus 1. Yes, it is u of t signal. It starts from 0. T minus 1 right shifted. So this is your x of t. What is the second signal? U of t plus 2 left shifted. This is your h of t. Given signal x of t, given signal h of t. What is the preliminary work? Convert x of t to x of tau. Just repeat the same sketch. Already I told you. Make it as tau. This is x of tau. Same work you do here. I finished this. Second, let us convert. Draw the same sketch. Make it as tau. This is h of tau. Then what is the next work you should do? Reflection. Yes, you have to do reflection. That's all. This is your h of minus tau. What is the last work you should do? Let us generalize. H of minus tau plus t. What is that I told you? Draw the same signal. Just add t. Just add t. This is the preliminary work. Given signal x of t. As per my requirement, I need x of tau. Given signal h of t. Now I need h of minus tau plus t. Using these two signal, I am going to start the convolution. Okay, remember I am going to start the convolution. What is starting the convolution? Let us see this signal, let us see this signal. It starts from one right side. This starts from where? Minus 2. Right side or left side? Negative side. Left side. This starts from left side. This starts from right side. This starts from... No, we can't say. It's not right side. Why, sir? It depends on t value. If you put t equal to 5, 5 plus 2, 7, it comes here. If you have t equal to minus 5, 2 minus 5, minus 3, it comes negative side. Now answer me, this signal starts from right side or left side, or we can't say. We can't say. It is a generalized signal. This is t is a variable, so I am going to call it as moving signal. This is moving a fixed signal. Fixed signal, because in my convolution I need one signal, another signal should be shifting, moving. What are the three operations? Moving, shifting, multiplication, addition. So shifting. This is what I am going to do. Shifting. How I am going to shift? Change the t value. Recall my wordings. Change the t value. Put t equal to 100. It goes that side. Put t equal to minus 100. It goes this side. Let me ask you one question. Tell me the t value. The signal should come to 0. Good. Minus 2. T is equal to minus 2. If you put it will come here. Tell me the t value. It will come to minus 3. Come on. Minus 5. So, like that, we can say who is the fixed signal, who is the moving signal. It can be, you can draw the signal only at one. You can draw it anywhere because it depends on t. Now, using these two, I am going to do convolution. What is it I am going to do? Please recall. This is fixed signal. Let me draw. Amplitude 1 starts here. This is variable signal, depends on t value. Preferably draw this side. Okay. So I made two signals. One is fixed this side, other is moving this side. I do have a fixed signal. I do have a moving signal. I have to do three works for performing convolution. One is shifting, other is multiplication, other one is addition, here it is integration. Shifting, I am going to do this one by changing the t value. Multiplication, carefully recall. Let us assume the signal is this side. It has not crossed one. Do you have a common area where you can multiply, you will get answer? No. Since there is no common area, the answer is 0. When, sir? If I put the signal here, whatever you do this side, definitely it won't overlap. There is no common area. So, from minus infinity up to, recall, this particular signal is moving. If it cross this number 1, definitely it is overlapping. If you multiply, answer will be there. Am I right? Up to where there is no answer, it should cross or it should touch. Good. It should touch. What should be the t value? So that this signal will touch this one. Come on. Minus 1. If you put a 2 minus 1, 1. It is touching. Which means, put t equal to minus infinity, it goes here. Minus 10,000, minus 100, minus 10, minus 2, up to minus 1. If you put minus 1, it will touch here. Up to here, there is no common place. There is no overlapping of these two signals. If you multiply answer, you won't get. Answer will be 0. Next. Let us read. Now the signal is this side. If it goes like this, I have to move, to do convolution. When it cross, let it cross. Just anywhere after this. Yes, it is crossed. Now answer me. If I multiply these two signals, will I get answer? Yes, because there is a common place. Because between 1 and 2 plus t, definitely this red color signal also available. blue color signal also available, that is x also available, h also available. If you multiply, answer you will get. This side only one signal, answer is 0, another amplitude 0. This side answer is 0. Now answer. Where you will get answer? The answer is if this signal is touching here, where -1, go this side, 0, 1, 2, 3. I am talking about t value. 3, 4, let us put a 10, 10 plus 2, 12. It goes this side. Common area. Let us put 20, 22. Common area. Up to where? Infinity. You will get the common area. If you multiply, you will get the answer. So what I should do? I should multiply these two signals where x signal amplitude 1, h signal amplitude 1, multiply both, and then I should add the result. Where is common area? There only you will multiply. Where is common area? From 1 to 2 plus t, I am having the common area. This which axis? Tau axis. So tau is varying from 1 to 2 plus t. I am having common area in this place. If I multiply with respect to delta, just integrate. What is the answer? I can say it is tau. Upper limit 2 plus t, lower limit 1. Answer will be t plus 1. Am I right? So, who is this result? If you multiply and then integrate, I will get the result. Whether I performed convolution? Yes. What are the three words? Shifting, multiplication, addition. Shifting, you see red color, I am shifting. Multiplication, you see I multiplied both. Addition, you see I did integration. Now, what is the final conclusion? Sir, output is y of t. It is 0 when minus infinity less than t less than minus 1. It is t plus 1 when minus 1 less than t less than infinity. This is the final result. Thank you.